How to redeem Kindle gift card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem your Kindle's gift card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to redeem your Kindle's gift card, it's really simple. You can redeem it on your Amazon. So open up your amazon.com, make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can head over to your gift card section that is on the top. Here you will find the gift cards, open it up, and after you open up your gift cards, there you will see a section where you can enter your gift card. So there you will see redeem Amazon gift card, head over there, tap on it, and there you can simply enter the code. After you do that, tap on apply to your balance and you should be good to go. And that's how you redeem Kindle's gift card, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye. Take care.